So now we need to start customizing our website, right? But we need to do a few things to the website, the basic things that you need to do to make the website look compliant, beautiful, and like a website of an expert. We need to change the site icon. It's also called Favicon. Favicon. So if you look up here, right, you see some logos. Once you open a website, you're going to see a logo of that website appear on the browser. That's what we want to put on our own website too, so that when someone types our website, so now I've typed this website, or if you view this website, you will see this WordPress site icon of Favicon. But we don't want WordPress Favicon to show, we want our own Favicon to show. So to change this, there is a free site to use. It's called favicon.io. So it converts any image into that site logo image that is called Favicon. So you can upload any image into the site and convert it to a Favicon, right? So if you do not have images, you can always get images from pexels.com or other website like shutterstock.com. But pexels.com is very free and has a free to use images. You don't need to sign up. So for me, I'm building a wedding and events website. So I'll decide to use weddings. I'll choose black wedding couple. So that represents probably Nigeria. Some of these images on this website, you have to buy them, so be careful. When you see stuff like sponsored photos, iStock, it means you need to buy them. Okay, so don't bother yourself about too much what you need to use. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to take much time, right? So just pretty much choose which photo you want and download it. But for the sake of this video, I have already downloaded a photo from this site. So I'm going to use it. You can choose whatever you want. If you're in another niche, you can choose whatever. If you're in recipe niche, you can choose a recipe book, recipe, or whatever, and download it to your site, to your desktop. But what we want to do now is to change the image that I have downloaded. So if I go to my desktop now and show you, I have an image here of wedding couple who are in church, right? So I'm going to use this for my Favicon and of course for some other things on the website. So I'll go to favicon.io and click on this area, then upload the video, the image. Once I upload the image, it's going to appear here. I will download it. So when it downloads, you're going to see it here as a zip folder. What you need to do is to open the zip folder. So a Favicon image is supposed to be 16 by 16. I will explain this a bit later on. So you look for Favicon 16 by 16 in this place. So it's going to be very small. You will not see it now, but what you need to do is to copy it from here to somewhere else. So copy to somewhere else, then go back to your WordPress and click on customize. Then click on site identity. It's going to show you select site icon here on this place. So select site icon and upload file. Select file, go back to where you saved the file. It's on your desktop. If you want to quickly find a file on your desktop, you can click on date modified and it will bring the latest file up, and then you click and put it. You may want to do all of this area of alt text, and yes, so optimize, you can optimize the image, wedding photograph if you want, but I'm not going to do all of that now. I'm not going to do all of that now, so just insert it, and you see that it has appeared here, right? You don't need to crop the image, just keep cropping and your website Favicon has changed. That's simple. So the next thing we need to do before we publish, or you can just press publish to be on the safe side. The next thing we need to do is to change the site logo. So site title and site logo, you click here. You have to change this. This is what came with the theme. So to do this, we will use Canva. So you go to canva.com. In case you don't have an account, just make sure to sign up. But we want to create an image that looks like a logo, right? A website logo, to be specific. So when you have an image, it comes in different forms. Images come in different forms. Now, one of the ways to measure an image one of the ways to measure an image is to measure the pixel of the image. Pixel means, in this case, it may mean different things, but in this case, it means the length and breadth of the image, or the height of the image, and the width of the image. I hope you understand. So that's what you use to know, and that's why I mentioned earlier that the favicon is 16 by 16. So if you go down here on Canva and just hover all this over this document, over this flyer, you will see down here that is 210 by 297, right? 210 by 297. So we want an image that has the size of a logo. So we'll click on create image, and then here you can always see suggested sizes or pixels. So just go down here and click on customize, and you see that they've given you option to input the width and the height of the image. But for this logo, we want to use a 200 by 100 size, right? This should be good for logo, 200 by 100. So we create this, and it's going to give us this. You choose what you want to add to this place. So I probably want to add maybe wedding rings or something. Yeah, wedding ring. I may want to add wedding ring here. No, this is not beautiful. So if you look here, you see pro. All these pro icons, do not choose them because you can't download the image later. They are for paid versions of Canva. So this looks good. We can use this. We can use wedding image. We can also add wedding couple. Maybe something like this. Yeah. And then we can add text here. I call it quota.com. Sorry, quota.com.ng. If you want, you can bold it. increase the size if you want. Make sure that it fits in very well. You can also decide to change the font size or the font type. Pretty much, yeah, you can decide to change the color. It could be blue, or you can type in blue here. Yeah, blue, and it's going to give you this color. So that's pretty much for now. All you need to do is to go to share, download PNG. You have PNG, you have JPEG. Each of them still makes sense, so click on PNG and click on download. Now your download will be ready soon and you should have it here. Right, so go back to your WordPress site and click on change logo. Click on upload the logo, go to download, it should be here, yeah, and upload your logo. Select this logo. You may have the option to work on it a bit here. Makes sense. So yeah, when you crop it to what you want, just click on crop. It's cropping and good. Your site has a logo, right? So that's pretty cool about that. You publish. So we've changed this site logo from what it used to be to what represents our website. The next thing we need to do now is to begin to customize the home page, because we've done two basic things.